In die oggend begin ons 7 uur. Dan ry ek van die huis af, totdat ek my spanne 7 uur kan oplei, dan ry ons iets saai toe. My responsibilities is om my team te lei. Hier is 'n probleem met werkloosheid. Hier is mense wat die werk het en so aan nie.
Van Wyksdorp is a very small little town in the Karoo, in between the Langeberge and the Swartberge. We have very low rainfall. It's been a terrible drought for a few years now. How are you actually going to farm? How are people surviving here? What about job creation? That's where Jobs for Carbon came into the picture. Because of the droughts, plants are getting less and less, and our topsoil is actually getting washed away. So how do a spekboom create jobs in Van Wyksdorp?
And the spekboom is one of the golden plants that absorbs the most carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, especially in arid and drought-stricken areas. Under the umbrella of the Gourensklaster Biosphere Reserve, we are currently running 3 projects, of which Jobs for Carbon is one. So we start with the harvesting and planting teams in the 1st of March 2015. We focus on the replanting and rehabilitation of spekboom. Currently in the Van Wyksdorp area, there's 8,000 hectares that need to be rehabilitated.
Van Jobs for Carbon nie aangekom het ons eers met 60 mense gewerk. En tweede baie mense se lewens ook verander. Hier is die mense nou besig om groot steggies te oes na die planting site toe. Die mense gaan nou voorbereiding maak gate en vir die groot steggies en vir die bulletplantjies om in te plant. En dan gaan hulle 1 liter water gee. Ek het begin leer by Tannie Ina van Landscape. Ek wil bly oor my tuin. Want dit is kennis wat ek het. Sy die Jobs for Carbon kan ek sorg vir my huis. My kinders raak ook nie kleiner, hulle raak groter, so ek moet dink aan die toekoms vorentoe.
When we have the Jobs for Carbon project, there was 30,000 set aside to do something at the nearest school to the project. And then we roll it out to the 10 schools that we have now in the environmental education project.
We teach our students nature conservation in a very natural and spontaneous way.
Spekboom is die kampioen en dan gee hy vir ons suurstof dat ons almal lekker kan asemhaal.
What is the best way to take something forward? To teach the young ones, because they are the future.
Ons het met hulle altyd so 'n sportdaggetjie naweke om hulle net van die straat af te hou en dan leer ons hulle hoe om toutrek te doen, sokker te speel en so aan.
The direction that we want to go with this whole project is to have happy, highly skilled, employed people. Be an example for the communities around us and then also maybe in South Africa.
Yummy, 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 yeah.